What if I told you that creating a complete music video could soon take less time than making your morning coffee? Just one idea, and one prompt. That's exactly what AI Music Director claims to do. But before you get excited, there's one thing on the sales page that every buyer should understand before spending a single dollar. Quick disclosure, this video contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through them at no extra cost to you. Also, I haven't personally tested AI Music Director. This review is based on the vendor's official information, so I'll separate what's claimed from what you should verify yourself. If you've ever tried creating original music for YouTube, you already know the struggle. You write lyrics. Then you need vocals. Then a beat. Then mixing. Then mastering. Then visuals. Then editing. Then different versions for Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. By the time you're done, hours are gone. Sometimes days. And if you hire freelancers instead, the cost climbs fast. For many creators, the biggest obstacle isn't creativity. It's production. This is where AI Music Director makes its biggest promise. Instead of using separate tools for writing, music generation, visuals, and editing, the vendor says everything is handled inside one workflow powered by 7 specialized AI agents. According to the sales page, those agents can generate lyrics, AI vocals, original beats, cinematic visuals, edit the final video, and prepare exports for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and Spotify Canvas. If that workflow performs as described, it could simplify content creation for people publishing regularly. What caught my attention isn't just the AI. It's the idea of reducing an entire production pipeline into a single dashboard. The vendor also promotes support for multiple genres, from rap and EDM to lo-fi, gym, business promo, motivational, and meme content, suggesting the tool is aimed at a wide range of creators. But here's the real question. Is this actually worth your money, or is it simply a well-designed sales page? That's exactly what we'll answer next. Now here's the question that actually matters. Who is this software built for? Based on the vendor's materials, AI Music Director appears to target creators who need to produce content consistently without managing multiple tools or outsourcing every step. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel, creating TikTok or Instagram Reels, making motivational videos, building a personal brand, or creating promotional content for clients, an all-in-one workflow like this may help simplify production. That's the value the vendor is emphasizing. Here's where I think every buyer should slow down. AI doesn't magically replace creativity. Even if a tool generates lyrics, vocals, music, and visuals, the final result still depends on your idea, your prompt, and your expectations. If you're expecting Hollywood-level production from one click, you're probably setting yourself up for disappointment. But if your goal is to create content faster and iterate more quickly, this kind of workflow may be worth exploring. A few vendor-stated details caught my attention. The sales page highlights support for multiple music styles such as rap, EDM, rock, lo-fi, gym, business promo, motivational, and meme content. It also mentions a commercial license, a one-time payment during the launch offer, future updates, a 30-day refund policy. Those are attractive claims, but always verify the latest pricing, licensing, and bonus details on the official sales page before making a purchase, since launch offers can change. I'd consider looking into AI Music Director if you publish content regularly. You want to reduce production time. You prefer one dashboard instead of several separate AI tools. You create short-form or music-driven content. On the other hand, if you're a professional music producer who needs complete manual control over every detail, this type of AI workflow may not replace a traditional production setup. Here's my takeaway. AI Music Director isn't being marketed as just another AI music generator. The vendor presents it as a complete production workflow, from lyrics and vocals to visuals and exports inside one platform. Whether it delivers on those promises is something you'll want to evaluate with the official demo and refund policy in mind. If you want to check the latest pricing, bonuses, and see the official demo for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest AI software reviews, and tell me in the comments, could AI become your next music production partner, or do you still prefer the traditional way of creating music? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.